Homeowners in Pocatello might consider themselves lucky. According to a consumer website, Value Penguin, the Gate City has the cheapest home insurance rates in the state. Local News 8's Dennis Villar has been looking into this for us. Dennis, what about Pocatello helps it have lower rates?
The weather, Carol. Today might not be a great example, but an insurance agent tells me that year-round the weather doesn't get too crazy, meaning the premiums will stay low.
When compared to 37 other cities, Pocatello came out on top for cheapest home insurance. In a study, Value Penguin looked at numbers from 4 different insurance companies. Using a 2,000 square foot home with a garage as a base, they found Pocatellans pay $937 a year for insurance. That's about 11% lower than the Gem State's average of $1,041. Why is it lower? A local insurance agent says the weather, which can be hard to believe with our recent snow rain.
We have relatively mild weather. With the exception of, some isolated things here and there, we don't get really severe weather, and that makes a big difference. The big difference being fewer claims filed, which signals companies to keep prices low. If there are fewer claims in a year, the logic follows that the premium should stay lower. But there's other facets of the Gate City helping home insurance be cheaper. The low crime rate, too, is part of that. Of course, again, we do have theft claims that go in, but on the whole, I would imagine that Idaho is probably lower than average on that, too.
Other eastern Idaho cities that fall below the average include Blackfoot, Rexburg, and Chalice. Idaho Falls was found to be above the state average with an average rate of $1,055 a year. Live in the Pocatello newsroom, I'm Dennis Valera.
All right, thanks, Dennis. For the complete list and to see how your city stands, you can go to our website, localnews8.com.